Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by readying hardware and mapping inputs so you can focus on execution. Assign movement to WASD or arrows and pick adjacent keys for attacks. This reduces hand travel and reaction time. Once done, set a single modifier key for alternate button layers and program 4-6 face buttons for basic attacks. Make sure to enable anti-ghosting or encrow in firmware. This prevents dropped inputs during complex combos. Now test a simple light to heavy string to confirm timing and feel. You move into drilling execution and spatial control to turn inputs into deliberate plays. Begin with repeatable light, medium, heavy chains, then add movement sequences like dash cancel or neutral jump to practice spacing. Once comfortable, work on input buffering and charge timing so your key presses register during animations. This reduces missed links. Make sure to alternate between speed and precision drills. Short, focused bursts to build muscle memory, followed by slower runs to correct timing and adapt hand placement. You finish by optimizing bindings and fixing problems that block progress. Tweak keys per character so high-frequency moves sit under the same fingers. This lowers cognitive load during matches. Once done, record practice sessions and review missed inputs to identify whether timing, spacing, or key placement is the issue. If something goes wrong, stuttering, missed presses, or double inputs, make sure to check encrow settings, update drivers, and reduce OS key repeat delay. Doing that usually resolves hardware or system-level input problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.